My name's Karen Sorensen. I work at Pellissippi State Community College in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm an instructional designer for our Faculty Development Center. The where I find resources on the web, I am fairly new to a general instructional design role. I used to specialize in accessibility, so I could give you a long list of accessibility resources, but I'm fairly new at finding instructional design resources, which is one of the reasons I'm taking this class. But for what I do is I have a Twitter account, and I also have a Twitter account for myself and for our Faculty Development Center. So I follow different instructional design and higher ed resources on Twitter, and that often leads me to some great resources that I share with faculty. In addition, I have faculty and a faculty advisory group that advises our faculty development center, and they also pass on a lot of great tidbits. And I have put together a little listserv of my own of people who work at the college who have instructional design backgrounds. There are a lot of people, and a lot of them are not instructors. There are a couple instructors. There's the director of the Educational Technology Services. There's someone who works in the testing center. And there's someone who works in HR, and somebody who just graduated with her master's in instructional design who works as an audio video specialist. So I am known to email all of them and ask them for I'll present a problem or an issue that we are trying to work on, and they will send me their ideas. So, and then what do I create? I am going to show you on this Spark video that the college has a college-wide license for Adobe products. So Spark is something that I wanted to learn. So since Mel suggested that we might use that, I decided to try and create my little introduction in Spark. And so I use Adobe products, Photoshop being my main one. And I also use Zoom, which I'm creating this video in using Zoom. And Zoom is, though, mainly a online web conferencing tool. And I love it because it's free for just if you have just two people in a meeting. If you have more than that, you need to pay. But you can you can have more than two people in a meeting, an online web meeting with Zoom, but you're cut off at 40 minutes. So the free membership can get you a long way, but it cuts you off at 40 minutes. So after that, you have to pay. So it's not limited to two people, but with two people, you get unlimited time. But with three people, you get cut off at 40 minutes on the free membership. So anyways, it's a great tool. Also use it to help my mother who has computer issues sometimes, and I have used it also as can work with instructors remotely. We're still getting people more comfortable with web conferencing here, but in my previous job, I used it a lot, and you can remote into other people's computers. They have to give you access, but when they do, you can see their computer and control their mouse, and it's a great tool for helping people remotely with their computer, and it's come in handy with helping my mother who lives far away. So what else do I use? I also other tools I use. Office 365 is our main communication tool here, but I can also create forms with Office 365, so I do that. And I create, what there's, you know, the calendar and all that. And I use Camtasia a lot, which to create videos and to help instructors create videos and to edit videos. And I use WordPress. I'm responsible for creating the web pages for the website for our academic center, our faculty development center. I create so I create web pages, I create videos, I create how-to videos and how-to instructions on web pages. I create trainings and evaluations of those trainings. And I'm hoping to do, I'm fairly new in this position, hoping to do more comprehensive course design, for which we use, for that we use the learning management system, D2L Brightspace. I share the things that I create on our website and on our WordPress website and in workshops and in our faculty development newsletter. So I will be showing you those things in this brief Spark video. Thanks for watching.